I am Chandrima Roy, Chief Public Relations Officer of South Central Railway. Now, to commemorate the 150th birth anniversary of Rabindranath Tagore, Indian Railways has decided to run an exhibition train on the life and works of Rabindranath Tagore. And this is a tribute which is being paid by the Indian Railways to the great personality. We have a 6-coach exhibition train which is called Sanskriti Express. So this Sanskriti Yatra was flagged off by the Honorable Minister of Railways, Srimati Mamata Banerjee, and she did it on the 9th of May 2010 from Calcutta. This train is going around the whole of India for 1 year. It is going to various states. It will be stopping at 1 or 2 cities in each of the states, and then finally it will end its journey again at Bolpur, which is the closest railway station to Shantiniketan, the university set up by Rabindranath Tagore. The Vishwa Bharati University was set up at Shantiniketan. So this is an international university which was set up by this Nobel laureate. This train is very good opportunity for everybody to learn about this personality. And we have 6 coaches in that train. 5 of them are exhibition coaches. You have other coaches giving the life of Rabindranath. Many of his rare letters are displayed in these coaches. And then you have all his artistic works. Then one coach is devoted to Gitanjali. It is named after the work which got him the Nobel Prize in Literature. So this gives all the poetry and prose that was written by him. Then there is another coach giving all the paintings done by Rabindranath Tagore, where you have, because he took up the painting after the age of 60 years. But you have beautiful paintings and sketches which were done by him. You have also some paintings done by some famous artists who were associated with Shantiniketan. Then there is one coach, the last coach is about the last journey of his life, that is towards the end, the works and the letters that he has written. And then there is also a small souvenir shop where products of Shantiniketan, because you see Shantiniketan has 2 parts. There is Shantiniketan where the university is located, and there is another place called Sriniketan where all the handicrafts are being produced, because there are certain handicrafts like leather bags, batik print, which is unique to that area. So there is a small souvenir shop where the people can buy samples of these souvenirs, and it is a very educative exhibition. I hope that all the people here will take advantage of this exhibition and they will visit the exhibition. There are 2 more days left for this exhibition, that is, it is there up to the 1st of October. After this place, it will be going to Chennai.